Can dogs detect pregnancy in pregnant women? There are many stories of pregnant women who claim to have seen their dog's behavior change early in their pregnancy. Sometimes even before they were aware of their condition. Does this mean that dogs can detect pregnancy? If so, how is this possible? An overdeveloped sense of smell when we know that dogs have no less than 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to 6 million in humans. The fact that they can smell hormonal changes in pregnant women is not so surprising. Because hormones also have their own smell. Indeed, from the first month of pregnancy, pregnant women start to secrete pregnancy hormones, HCG. It is these famous hormones that are the cause of most of the minor ailments of pregnancy during the first trimester, including dreaded nausea. But pregnancy is also associated with a marked increase in two other hormones, estrogen and progesterone. The body also produces new hormones, placental lactogenic hormone, PLH, prolactin, and, of course, oxytocin. These are all subtle changes that dogs can sniff out. It should be noted that these odors can also be perceived in pregnant women that the dogs do not know. However, in a woman they know, these hormonal changes may be more noticeable compared to a woman they've never met before, Kate Mornment tells HuffPost. A very observant behavior, but dogs' exceptional sense of smell isn't the only reason they can detect a pregnancy. In fact, it is associated with another element, the hyperattention of our canine friends. Indeed, they are keen observers and are thus able to spot the slightest emotional or behavioral change in their owner. As emotional sponges, dogs are particularly sensitive to mood changes. This explains why they are able to detect mood swings in pregnant women, no matter how small. Dogs are also able to distinguish physical changes in humans. Thus, weight gain in pregnant women as well as changes in the shape of the belly do not escape their eagle eye. Do dogs understand what pregnancy is all about? It's a fact that most dogs can detect a pregnancy in the first few days after conception, but do they also know what it entails? Do they suspect that a baby is growing in their owner's belly and that, in a few months, it will disrupt their daily life? In reality, it is very difficult to answer this question. Dogs can feel the kicks given by the fetus in utero when they are lying on their owner's belly, for example, but does this mean that they understand where these kicks come from? Nothing is less sure. But in any case, they feel that a change is taking place. Some dogs even become more clingy, even more protective of their human. It's as if they sense that she's more vulnerable and that they need to be more vigilant towards her.